بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء طلاب الصف الثاني المتوسط، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to study Unit 7 Lesson 3 Fahad's Invitation. The first exercise we have, it's an email. You have to read it before answering or completing the gaps below. The first question is, who can you see? These are pre-reading questions before reading a passage or an email. Who can you see? Who can tell me? Who is he? Yes, he is Fahad Walid. What can you remember about him? Second question. He is Fahad Walid. He is Omar's cousin, and he is studying English in Bournemouth. He is doing his MA in agriculture at university. Very good. Now you have time to read the email, and after that answer the questions. Say sentences about Fahad. Name. This one and the second one are done for you. His name is Fahad Walid. His age 22 years old. He lives in Bournemouth. Very good. At the moment studying. Yes, he's studying English. Next week seeing Omar and Fred. Good. Going to go. Yes, very good. For a long walk. Next year wants to do MA in agriculture at university. Very good. Now let's turn to the next exercise. Listening. Listen and complete. You have to listen carefully to answer or to fill in the gaps. Okay? While listening, try to complete. Okay? Now let's listen.
Lesson 3. Fahad's Invitation. Track 48, Exercise 2. Listen and complete.
Okay. Mum says we can go to see Fahad. When shall we go?
We're busy on Saturday the 8th and Sunday the 9th. Let's go to Bournemouth on Monday, Fred.
Sorry, I can't go on Monday, Omar. I have to play football for the school. Why don't we go on Tuesday?
No, we can't go on Tuesday. We're going shopping with your mum. I have to buy presents for my family, and you have to get some new shoes.
Okay, Omar. How about going to Bournemouth on Wednesday the 12th?
No, sorry, Fred. I can't go on Wednesday. I have to go bowling with Jack. But we could go on Thursday. I'm not busy then.
No, I can't go to Bournemouth on Thursday. I have to visit Uncle Jim with Nina and Mum. Shall we go on Friday the 14th?
No, we can't go then. We both have homework and projects to do.
So it has to be Saturday the 15th. We can go to Bournemouth then.
Yes, we can.
Now you can check your answers. Number 2. Both. Both means Omar and Fred. 3. Omar, go bowling. 4. Visit Uncle Jim. 5. Both, as we said before, Omar and Fred. Next, we have a passage. You have to read the passage carefully. You have to read it before answering the questions, before choosing the best title for the text. After answering the question, check your answers. Okay? Safe walking in the hills. That's true. Now let's turn to exercise B. We have some words and their definitions or their meanings. Number 1, a route. One with C, a direction, or way from one place to another. That's okay, good. Number 2, a hill means high ground, small mountain. 3, a torch means a kind of light, you can carry it in your hand. Very good. 4, a forecast, say what may happen in future, for example, about the weather. 5, a backpack means a kind of bag, you carry it on your back. Okay, the last one, a boot, yes, a strong heavy shoe. Very good. Now you have to talk to your partner about walking in the hills using have to in your sentences. The last exercise we have is about writing. You have to write some sentence about a picnic in the desert. You have to use have to in your sentences. Okay, we said before, or we explained it before, we use have to in with in obligation or necessity. We use it with plural nouns such as teachers, students, doctors, and so on, and with plural subject pronouns we, you, and they, and with I have to study hard, I have to wake up early. Okay, and we use has to with third person singular, he, she, and it, and with singular nouns Ahmed, the teacher, and Muhammad. Now you have your homework in pages 127 and 128. Finally, thank you for good listening. See you later.